Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list information for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into the deals. First up, I want to go ahead and remind everybody that today is Saturday, April the 29th, and we do have a lot of digital coupons that do expire today, and a lot of really good ones, I might add. So if you missed out on watching my 5 off $25 scenario video, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about is last week's clearance markdowns, because unfortunately, Dollar General pulled a fast one on everybody, and they decided to cancel their clearance markdowns at the last minute. So I did make a post about this in the community tab early Tuesday morning, but just in case anybody missed it, all of these 90% off markdowns ended up being a huge your miles may vary kind of thing. And in fact, Dollar General even sent out a memo telling the store managers to cancel all of the markdowns, do not put up the 90% off signs. So it's really just going to depend on your store whether these items are 90% off or 70% off. So as I always say, scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register, because I have been seeing some people post that they are finding these items in these categories at 90% off. Now, here's just a quick rundown of the specific categories that I'm talking about. So first up, we have calendars. We also have the back to school stationery category, as well as the Blue Dot apparel and accessories. And then last but certainly not least, we have the red triangle socks. So again, your miles may vary. You may find these items at 90% off, but for the majority of us, these categories are going to be staying at 70% off for now. All right, so now that we're all caught up on everything that happened last week, let's go ahead and get into the new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General. And keep in mind that these will start on Tuesday, May the 2nd. All right, so first up, we have a new category joining our clearance markdowns. We have select as seen on TV products going down to 10% off starting on Tuesday, May the 2nd. So for our first item that's in this category, we have the as seen on TV Presto plug extender. These are normally $20 and the UPC code is on your screen. All right, next up, we have the as seen on TV Cable-Rama cable sorter. Now, these are normally $6 and the UPC is on the screen there for you. Now, I wasn't quite sure which item they were specifically talking about, so I do have two different visuals for you all for now, but I am going to double check today once I get into the store and see exactly which product matches up with this UPC code. So once I figure that out, I will make a post about that in the community tab for you guys. All right, next up, we have the Govana Fruits and Veggie Gummy Vitamins. These are normally priced at $15. All right, now moving right along, we have the As Seen on TV Ped Egg Foot File. So these are normally $10, and again, the UPC code is on your screen. All right, next up, we have this little roadside emergency light. It is called the As Seen on TV Lizard Flare. These are normally $15. Now, also included in this category, we have the As Seen on TV ID Police Stamp Roller, and these are normally $10. And last but certainly not least, we have the As Seen on TV Cup Captain, and this is kind of like a little phone holder that goes down into your cup holder in your car. These are normally $20. All right, next up, we have all of our Easter categories going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, May the 2nd. So just as a quick refresher, here are all of our Easter categories. We have the Easter seasonal, home decor, party supplies, candy, and baking categories. All of those are going down to 90% off. Alright guys, so there was just a few of the Easter visuals that I put together for you all. If you want to check out the full Easter visual videos, which has tons and tons and tons of pictures of items, of UPC codes, prices, all of the things, make sure that you go and check out my Easter visual video, and that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, if you are looking for any specific category, I have been putting together a lot of these visual videos for you all. For instance, we have blue dot, gray dot, back to school items. So if you've missed out on any of those visual videos and you want to go and check them out, I have put together a playlist specifically for our clearance markdown visuals. Now, I will link that specific playlist for you all in the pinned comment down below, but if you want to check out my other playlist that I've put together, all you have to do is click on my name right underneath this video, which is Craz-E Coupons, and that's going to take you to my home page on my YouTube channel. Then you just scroll over and it's going to bring you to playlist. You can also check out the community tab while you're there, but that will bring up the full list of all the different playlists that I've put together for you all. Alright, so now we need to talk about the penny list for this week at Dollar General, and unfortunately, for another week, we do not have a penny list so far. Now, of course, that could change. Another memo could come out, and if I get any kind of information, you guys will be the first to know. So, of course, before you go, make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.